So I'm here at the Prusa booth at Rapid TCT 2026. And right behind me is the Prusa factory. That's right, they picked up their factory and brought it right onto the showroom floor. There's so much cool stuff to see that I could not see in FormNext. We have the Index machine paired off with the Prusa Core 1 Plus. There's a couple of other really cool, exciting things that I was able to get my hands on. You know, at FormNext, everything was surrounded by security guards. You couldn't get up close to it. Everything was really kind of sectioned off. But here at Rapid, I was able to get right up to it and get my hands on it. I even broke something here and there, but don't worry, they were cool about it. Anyway, let's check it out. We are here with the Core 1 Plus and the famous Index system. This is a partnership that Prusa is doing, and this supports up to 8 extruders. That's right, there are 8 extruders. And in these 8 extruders, there's no waiting for heating things up. There's no retraction delays. This is just flying from one extruder to the next extruder. And we have over here 4 on this side, 4 on that side. Let's see if I can open this up. So now let's take a closer look at this. You know, the last time it was shown, it was full of security guards around, but now I'm up and close to it. There you are, there is the system. That is so cool. So we're getting really close to it. Let's wait now to see how long it takes to switch. Okay. That's it, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi. Looks like there seems to be about a 10 to 15 second swap when it goes from one extruder to another. Not as fast as the Prusa XL, which actually does it in 2 to 3 seconds. One correction here, even though that I saw this thing taking about 10 to 15 seconds, in speaking with someone here at the booth, I was able to find out that it will actually come down to somewhere around 7 seconds. Again, this is not ready yet. I don't know the price. I don't know when it's coming out. I know they're working feverishly to get it out to people, but they're still working on it. And then eventually, they even have to apply this to the Prusa Core L that is out there. It's because I certainly would like to have 8 extruders on a larger format printer because I'm so used to it now on the Prusa XL. But anyway, one thing that does take some time, and this is the big difference between the Prusa XL and the Index system with the Prusa Core 1 Plus, is the fact that it does have to heat up. So you still have that heating up that needs to happen when it pulls the next hot end, and then it has to heat up the nozzle. At least there isn't any retraction delay there, and 7 seconds, that's actually still very good, and I'm very excited that that's hopefully the number we'll end up with. It was really great to see what they have on the horizon, and they were so kind and so nice to me. They even got me a new jacket, one that fits me now. Now, another thing that a lot of people do not know about Prusa is that they are now currently the largest 3D printer manufacturer in the United States. I give them a lot of credit. This company could go ahead and, make everything overseas, put everything in China or Mexico or wherever, but they don't. They create jobs here in the United States, and they pay a premium price to do that. And that's part of the reason why their prices are so high. But they don't want to compromise on that quality and that efficiency in how they turn out their printers. Another thing that really speaks to the character of the company is their partnerships. For example, a lot of companies, when they see something that's really cool, they'll go ahead and they'll copy it, they'll rip it off. You've seen a lot of people do that with Prusa, but they don't do that to other companies. In fact, the people who developed the Index system created a really cool multi-extruder solution to extend their printers to 8 extruders. Now, Prusa could have certainly just copied this, but instead they decided to partner with them. And you have to understand, from a business perspective, that is going to mean less profit margin for the company. But the principles of the company, the principles of Joseph Prusa, are so high that he does not want to go ahead and rip off another company. Instead, when he sees something that he likes, he'll decide to partner with them. And I give them a lot of credit. And so when there are a lot of naysayers out there because of their price, just remember, look at the extent of what this company is trying to do to stay fair and to stay ethical in this industry. It goes a long way. Well, anyway, that was a great experience here at the Prusa booth. We got to see a lot of really cool things, and they're so nice. They're not even gonna bill me for the machine that I broke. That's how good these guys are. But anyway, check it out. I can't wait till we'll learn more about that index, the price, when it's gonna be released, and when it's gonna come to the Prusa L. Because honestly, 8 extruders on the Core 1 Plus, that's great, but I'd much rather see it on a larger machine. Anyway, thanks for watching and happy printing.